Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make this website from scratch. I have already uploaded a video about this website and you can check this out, link in the description. And this is the website we are going to make, and it's also responsive for phone. And check this. This is the navigation bar and it's transparent. It can be transparent. When the background is white, it will be white. When the background is black, it will be black. Superb, I think. This is the about menu. This is the home. And this is the animation. I have used JavaScript for this animation, and it's totally responsive, and I should mention that it's mobile first design. Today we are going to make this website mobile first, then we will use some media query for make this website fittest for every device. So let's go. So this is our HTML file and this is the CSS file. I have already declared some variable. This is some basic. I will put the code in my GitHub account. You can check the link for description. This media query, because we are going to make this website mobile first design, and this is the base, and this is our JS file. Here is nothing. Okay, so we will start from header file. You can say that navigation bar, and this is the first tutorial. We will make everything from step by step. Okay, so we are going to use box icon for menu. I will put the link in the description. You can check this, or you can use font or some whatever you want. This is the CSS part, and we are going to add some base code here to make our website responsive later. We have finished our basic code, and now we are going to design our header file and navigation bar from here. So let's dive into code.